I'm Fiona Roach, the General Manager at UPMC Sports Surgery Clinic in Santry, Dublin. At UPMC Sports Surgery Clinic, we're continually investing in technologies that help our surgeons deliver world-class care. Miss Ruth Delaney completing Europe's first Mako Shoulder procedure is a significant milestone and reflects our commitment to bringing leading innovations to Ireland and across Europe.
I'm Ruth Delaney. I'm a shoulder surgeon at UPMC Sports Surgery Clinic in Dublin. Here at UPMC Sports Surgery Clinic, we performed the first Mako shoulder replacement of any kind in Europe. So the Mako system is a robotic arm that assists us during surgery to really deliver accuracy based on a 3D CT plan that we've created in advance, and we can replicate that plan very precisely in the patient and therefore place the implants exactly where we planned to place them for that individual patient. The Holy Grail is going to be showing that it changes the patient's outcome. We're already dealing with a procedure that has, across the board, generally very good outcomes. There are cases that before our 3D planning and probably before the help of the robot, we might not have been able to actually do. And so we can offer those patients an option. And I think that's where we're going to see the biggest difference in the outcomes for those patients, that we can actually do more for them now. So shoulder replacement can be life-changing. Many people with shoulder arthritis have pain that keeps them awake at night. They have limitation of movement. And so being able to do a shoulder replacement for those patients can give them back their lives in terms of comfort, pain-free sleep and function. When we can accurately do a shoulder replacement for those patients with the help of technology, we can really optimize how they can get back to activity. And many of our arthritis patients who have bad pain find that the pain from surgery doesn't bother them so much that even the first day or two after surgery, they're already really happy with how much relief they've gotten. We have access to the latest technology, the latest equipment, and we can bring that to our patients in Ireland, which puts us at the forefront of Europe and places us on the world stage. And it makes us all very proud to be able to deliver that to our patients at UPMC Sports Surgery Clinic.
Innovation is never about technology alone. It's about improving outcomes for patients, supporting our clinical teams, and ensuring that UPMC Sports Surgery Clinic remains at the forefront of orthopaedic care whilst delivering life-changing medicine.